What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Energizer phone. Now, don't get it twisted, this is not a battery, but it's a phone. We talked about KaiOS in the couple of past videos, but today we're actually having this device from Energizer and it's running KaiOS. It seems to be really cool because it's even having the 4G LTE, and it's really great. So we're gonna just have a look at this device, unbox it, and check it out, the functionality and all of that, so as we can see what's packed on this device. So for further ado, let's get started through the video of today. This is our device in here. We're gonna just do a really great and amazing unboxing to see what's happening. So I'm gonna just remove this glue in here. There's a glue in here, so we're gonna just tear it up real quickly. So there we go. So on top, we're being greeted with our phone, which is KaiOS. You can see here having that kind of KaiOS vibe. Energizer, really cool. Second thing, you're having your earphones, which is really kind of great thing. Not quite bad, but they're still there. So yeah, you're being greeted with your micro USB cable, which is really dope. I wish it could be having USB Type-C, but yeah, quite not bad. So last but not least, you're having some interchangeable adapters which connects throughout your power, and this is the header which goes within USB, which is really great. And you can see it's branded Energizer, which means it's legitimate. Not our luck, but you're getting a 20% free Kaspersky offer throughout antivirus, but it seems to be expired because it said it's valid until 31st 12 of 2022. So bad luck. In this manual, which is really good, if you get time to read it, it's really awesome. But not least, the battery here, which is stated Energizer, which has 1900 mAh of battery, which is really dope. There we go, guys. As you can see, really great. I like the way it is. It's like having some patent at the back, which is like carbon fiber. You can see here, really great, and it's really feeling great. And we're gonna just turn it on right now to see if this bad boy has power. So it seems like it has power. As you can see there, it says Energizer and enabled by KaiOS, which is really great. And here downward, you can see there's a port of headphone jack and there's a micro USB port going on in here. At the back in here, you're getting a camera and a flashlight, and your speaker stays somewhere here. And on top, I think this is like a microphone in here, the smaller guy, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that might be a microphone, and or this one here down, it might be a microphone. Both of them, I don't. We're gonna be trying it out and see what's happening. But it feels really great, and it just feels like a little bit differently, like the way I'm using the Keen. You guys know the Keen device, which is really great, and this one feels a little bit different. Like I prefer using the Keen, but when you bring the KaiOS around, it feels a little bit different too. A little bit of usage to experience something different. So this is the setup right now. We're gonna just do a quick setup, so as you guys can go to the home screen and we test it out. So guys, as you can see on our device in here, we are having the menu, really great. And I think you can change the menu between having list view like this way, which it's really quite not bad. It's really dope too. And another kind of stuff, you can just go to notification or notices, it's called. And on this side, you're having your Google Assistant, and you're having even WhatsApp. So you can just if you connect it on the Wi-Fi, you can just download the WhatsApp update, and you keep it rolling, which is really great. So we're gonna just connect it on the internet, so as you can see what's happening. Right now we are connected on the Wi-Fi, but the only thing which it's a little bit kind of buggy, which got me, it's all about the keyboard. The keyboard, it takes you time to just tap it, compared to I thought that it might be a little bit at ease when you're using the keyboard. So let me show you guys just like a demo, so as you can see how the keyboard works. So let's go to messages, and let's say you are typing your new message, right? And okay, let's go to our composed. So let's say you are typing your new message. You can see it uses even this kind of type of a message whereby it's just learning throughout what you're typing, so as it can understand. But let me say I'm just going back to normal texting, like let's say I'm typing, you see it's a little bit differently. Hello, like let's say hello. You're typing like a word like hello. So let's say hello somewhere there. You can see it's a little bit, you have just to tap and stuff like that, which is quite not bad, but still I find it like, you know, it's the keyboard supposed to be a little bit much friendly so as you can use it. So that's a little bit downside on the keyboard side, but overall quite not bad. Here apps download, and this is like the store. This is the KaiOS store. So you can go in here, say like internet kit, stuff like that. You can see here. So I think it's just wanted an update throughout the store, and when you're done, I think everything is gonna be working fine. But still, I'm getting an error throughout connecting on the internet. And here, that's the speaker sound. It's really, I can say not bad. Yeah. And the camera wise, I didn't share with you guys. The camera, don't expect anything fancy on here, and because it's a little bit bad. The camera is actually not good at all, and this is the rear for me throughout me. So yeah, don't expect anything through the camera, because the camera is quite very low, and it won't give you some magical through the phone. But overall, the usage of the phone is quite impressive. I really like it. KaiOS powered, it's really amazing for the phone and device. Still, you can get connected on the internet, and I think you can even share your internet throughout other devices. If you connected with your SIM card, you're good to go. So this is the KaiOS, and it's an Energizer phone. And yeah guys, on the button side, they're clicky clicky clack. You can hear the sound on the button side. It's clicky clicky clack, quite not bad, but still it's clicky clicky and clack clack on the button. It's a little bit slow a little bit, quite not bad, but yeah, it's a button phone. What are you expecting? It's a button phone. Thought about the Energizer phone, to be honest, it's a really great thing, but there's always a but on these kind of button devices, because it's supposed to be much more enhanced through our usability. I understand it's still a button phone, thing like keen. You see how keen it is, you can touch and use it, but yeah, I think keen resembles, or keen suits best throughout the button phones, which it's smart and it's just giving you all those features you want. For the Kitochi side, we're calling it Tochi because I don't know why they're calling it, but it's an Energizer phone. But still, these phones seems to be a lot of carrier companies get into them and sell them throughout a budget amount. What's up guys, up to the next one. Hope you enjoyed on this video today. Let me know in the comments down below, as I was saying, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And guess what, the lights are off and the electricity is gone, and we're gonna say bye bye to you guys. Up to the next one, we're gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.